Hi Lyon agents, in this video training you're going to learn how to do a virtual live open house with just a smartphone. By the end of this video you'll be able to walk away and know how to prepare for the virtual open house, how to market and drive traffic to the open house, and then how to do a successful virtual tour and what to do with the video afterwards. So let's get started. So first, you're going to want to prepare the virtual live open house just like you would with any other open house. First step, kind of obvious, is choose a day and time. Now, I recommend that you do it in a 30-minute time frame. That should be plenty of time to do a tour around the property and answer any questions that someone may have. Second is to choose a platform to host the virtual open house. There are different options such as Facebook, YouTube, Zoom, Google Meets, endless possibilities. I recommend that you do it through Facebook and that you create an event from your Facebook business page, and it's very simple to do so. You're just going to go to your business page, you're going to go to the events tab, and then you're going to create a new event. You're going to want to make sure that the event is public so anyone can tune in. So the great thing about a Facebook event is that you can share the event and also grab a link, which brings me to my third step, which is marketing and driving traffic to your open house. Now you can do so by sharing the event via Facebook, and you can even share it on other social media platforms with that link. Also, I recommend sending an email out to your sphere, inviting them to tune in for the live open house. You can also even reverse prospect via MetroList and send that link out to the agents that may have buyers looking. Now we're going to shift over to steps to take the day of the live open house. Step 1, prepare the house just like you would a real open house. You want to make sure that the house is clean and presentable, all the lights are on, so it's ready for you to walk around and show your viewers. Step 2, you want to make sure that your smartphone is in the horizontal position. When you go live, you can no longer change the direction of your phone. And you want to have it horizontal because you want the viewers to be able to see a wider view of the house when you're walking around. Step 3, be mindful of the audience and how they are seeing the screen. For example, you want to make slow movements and also try not to shake. Step 4, think who is your ideal buyer? And be thinking of them when you're giving the tour. Talk about the different features that they may want to hear and show them what they may want to see. Step 5, and this is my final step. So now here is how you go live from your phone. So you're going to want to open up your Facebook app on your smartphone, and then you're going to go to your business page by clicking on that flag. Click on your business page, and the top you're going to scroll till you see the More button, then you're going to click on Events, and then you're going to want to open up the event that you already created. From there, you want to scroll down into where it says Say Something, and then you want to click and Post an Event. And then you're going to click Live Video there at the bottom, and then you're going to hit Start Live Video. Hello Facebook friends, and thank you for tuning in to the live virtual open house. Now that the live tour has ended, you have two options. One is to post your video on your timeline in Facebook, which I highly recommend that you do. And it's also going to ask you if you want to save your video. I recommend that you don't save it because it's going to be a very long video and it's going to take a long time to download. I highly recommend that you follow up with all of those that have tuned in. So there you have it. If you have any questions on how to hold a virtual live open house, please reach out to the Lyon support staff. They're here for you and can help. Thanks for tuning in and good luck. Bye-bye.